Your brain was not built for this. Not for alarm clocks, not for traffic, not for inboxes, not for glowing screens at midnight. For most of human history, the human brain woke to firelight, footsteps, hunger, weather, faces, silence, and stars. The strange part is this: the brain inside your skull has not changed nearly as fast as the world around it. So when modern life feels wrong, maybe the problem is not that you are weak. Maybe your brain is recognizing a world it was never prepared for. A prehistoric morning did not begin with a shock. No alarm, no schedule, no boss waiting, no phone demanding attention before the body was even awake. The day began with light, temperature, hunger, weather, and the movement of people nearby. Time was not something measured in minutes. It was something felt. Modern life begins differently. A sound cuts through sleep. A screen lights up. Before your feet touch the floor, the day is already asking something from you. Psychology fact number 1. Human attention was built to scan the living world. Our ancestors noticed tracks in soil, changes in wind, bird calls, clouds, water, plants, and movement at the edge of vision. Attention was not entertainment. It was survival. Today, that same attention is pulled by alerts, feeds, messages, deadlines, and glowing icons. The system that once watched the forest now watches the inbox. The ancient brain still follows signs. Only now, the signs never end. Psychology fact number 2. The human day was built around movement. Walking was not exercise. It was transportation, work, learning, memory, food, and social life at the same time. Modern life does something strange. It puts an ancient walking body into chairs for hours, then tells it to find energy at the end of the day. A body built to move does not forget what movement feels like. It only starts to feel trapped when it disappears. Psychology fact number 3. The human mind evolved inside small groups. A band of 20 or 30 people was small enough that every voice was known. Every face carried history. Every relationship affected survival. Now we can pass thousands of faces in a day and still feel unseen. We can receive messages all night and still feel alone. Modern life gives us contact, but the ancient brain was looking for presence. Psychology fact number 4. Sharing was not just kindness, it was survival insurance. In a small band, food was memory. People noticed who shared, who helped, who protected children, who made sure the weak were fed. Today, many meals happen alone, in front of screens, between tasks. The calories are there, but the old social meaning is often missing. Psychology fact number 5. Night used to be dark. When the sun went down, the world narrowed, the fire glowed, voices softened. The body understood that the day was ending. Modern night is different. The room is dark, but the screen is awake. The body is tired, but the mind is still being fed signals. Maybe the screen became the new fire, but unlike fire, it does not ask us to stop. Psychology fact number 6. Stories were one of the first human technologies. Before writing, stories carried maps, warnings, lessons, memories, and meaning. They told people where danger lived, where food returned, and what kind of person the group respected. Modern life also tells stories, but many of them arrive too fast, too often, and without the warmth of a human voice beside a fire. Psychology fact number 7 may be the most uncomfortable. Rest was not laziness. Early humans may have spent fewer hours on survival work than many modern people spend on jobs, commuting, messages, and obligations. Modern life often treats every empty space as something to fill. A pause becomes wasted time. Silence becomes uncomfortable. Rest becomes something we think we must earn. But the older human rhythm had pauses built into it. The mind had time to wander. The body had time to listen. This does not mean the past was better. It was dangerous. Injury, infection, hunger, cold, and predators were real. Modern life saved us from many ancient threats, but it also changed the rhythm around us faster than the ancient brain inside us could fully forget. Maybe the answer is not to reject the modern world. Maybe it is to remember what the human system still needs. Movement, real faces, shared meals, darkness at night, unstructured time, stories, silence, a little nature, a circle of people who know you. The world changed. The tools changed. The lights changed. But the old needs did not disappear. And maybe modern life feels so wrong because somewhere inside us, a much older human is still waiting for the fire to go quiet.